guys! Welcome back to our channel. And then today, it's already afternoon. Gagawa tayo ng coffee. Yung, I think famous siya ngayon sa internet. Dalgona ata yung tawag. Hindi ko alam kung paano siya. So, meron akong coffee. Here. And then, meron din akong sugar. It's here. So, may mga napanood na ako sa internet. And then, susubukan ko siyang gawin. So, start na tayo. So, there you go. Maglalagay tayo ng coffee. Dalawa. And then, sugar. Dalawa din. There you go. And then, water. Dalawa din. Yan. And then, may mixan natin siya ng mixer. So, ito na siya, guys. Minix ko na siya. Hindi, gagawin natin ng kape. Pero, hindi to para sa akin. Para to kay Jay. So, linipat ko siya sa malaki kasi nagkakalat siya. So, gagawin tayo ng kape para kay Jay. There you go, guys. Ayan na siya. And then, yan. Linagyan ko na siya ng coffee sa taas. And then, yes. Ayan na siya. Hindi ko alam kung maraming gatas na ilagay ko. But, I hope sana magustuhan ng isa. Kasi bawal sa akin yung kape. So, tignan natin. Puntahan natin si Jay. Darling! Look at that.
Whoa!
You want any spoon?
Is this what? Coffee or?
Yeah, it's a coffee. It's viral in anywhere. YouTube, Facebook. You want some spoon? Hold on, I'll take some spoon. I hope it tastes good. You should. How is it?
What is this thing on top?
It's coffee.
Ah, is it the bottle is milk?
Yeah. Here siya, guys. Kasi Jay drinking coffee twice a day, right? Yeah, breakfast and after lunch. So, I'm not going to make your normal coffee, so I'm planning to make this one. So, I hope you're gonna like it.
What was it underneath?
It's ice and some fresh milk.
Ah.
And then, I just... Bawal kasi sa akin eh, right? I'm not allowed to drink coffee. How was it, darling? Really? No joke? Why not? It's like after your lunch. Huh?
It's like a whole dessert.
I wish I could drink, but I don't want it. Listen, I will have a problem with tummy, so... How was it, baby? Really? So what is the rate? 1 to 10.
Okay. Oh, I like coffee. Right?
Yeah, I know.
Really nice.
Do your shot doon sa dulo. So, yun lang guys. You like it, Dalen?
Yeah. I do.
So, I hope you like this video and then give a thumbs up kung nagustuhan nyo and don't forget to subscribe